Fulvaole, area formula square, side square, rectangle, length multiplied by breadth, triangle 1/2 multiplied by base multiplied by height, trapezium 1/2 multiplied by a plus b multiplied by height, parallelogram base multiplied by height, rhombus 1/2 multiplied by diagonal 1 multiplied by diagonal 2, kite 1/2 multiplied by diagonal 1 multiplied by diagonal 2, circle pi r square, pi value 3.14 or 22/7, circle circumference 2 pi r, perimeter of circle 2 pi r, diameter of circle 2 r, radius of circle d/2, equilateral triangle root 3/4 multiplied by side square, volume cube, side cube, cuboid, length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, volume, cone 1/3 pi r square h, cylinder pi r square h, sphere 4/3 pi r cube, hemisphere 2/3 pi r cube, LSA of cube 4 multiplied by side square, LSA of cuboid 2h multiplied by L plus b, CSA of cone pi r L, CSA of cylinder 2 pi RH, CSA of sphere 4 pi r square, CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square, TSA of cube 6 multiplied by side square, TSA of cuboid 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, TSA of cone pi r bracket r plus L, TSA of cylinder, TSA of cylinder 2 pi r plus h, TSA of sphere 4 pi r square, TSA of hemisphere 3 pi r square, perimeter square 4 multiplied by side, rectangle 2 multiplied by length plus breadth, parallelogram 2 multiplied by length plus breadth, triangle side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3, rhombus 4 multiplied by side, trapezium side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4, circle 2 pi r or pi d, mean or average, sum of all observation upon total number of observation. For addition rule, positive plus positive positive, negative plus negative negative, positive plus negative and negative plus positive, the answer sign depend on bigger number, positive multiplied by positive positive, negative multiplied by negative positive, positive multiplied by negative negative, negative multiplied by positive negative. For division rule, positive divided by positive positive, negative divided by negative positive, positive divided by negative negative, negative divided by positive negative. A minus bracket minus b, a plus b, HCF multiplied by LCM, product of two number, divisibility rule, rule 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, rule 3, sum, rule 9, sum, rule 4, last two digits divisible, rule 8, last three digits divisible, rule 5, last place 0 or 5, rule 10, last place 0, rule 6, divisible by 2 and 3, rule 12, divisible by 3 and 4, rule 15, divisible by 3 and 5, rule 18, divisible by 2 and 9, rule 45, divisible by 5 and 9, natural number starting from 1 to infinity, whole number starting from 0 to infinity, integer 0, positive 1, positive 1, positive 2, and so on, rational number in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0, even number multiples of 2, odd number not multiples of 2, prime number having only two factors 1 and the number itself, types of fraction, proper fraction, denominator greater than numerator, improper fraction, numerator greater than denominator, mixed fraction, whole plus proper fraction, unit fraction, numerator is 1, like fraction, denominators are same, unlike fraction, denominators are different, equivalent fraction, ratio is same, a plus b bracket raised to 2, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b bracket raised to 2, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a square minus b square, a minus b multiplied by a plus b bracket raised to 3, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, a minus b bracket raised to 3, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, a plus b plus c bracket raised to 2 a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. 1 plus 1 to n, so 1 to n sum n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2 n cube to n square to n 1 square to n square sum n multiplied by n plus 1 multiplied by 2n plus 1 divided by 6 1 cube to n cube sum n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2 bracket square sum of first odd number n square sum of first even number n square plus n. A deck of 52 cards distribution. 26 cards there are in 52 cards 26 cards are of black and 26 cards of red. In 26 black cards 13 are of spade and 13 are of club. In 26 red cards 13 cards are of heart and 13 cards of diamond. Probability of favorable outcomes upon total number of possible outcomes. A raised to m multiplied by a raised to n, a raised to m plus n, a raised to m upon a raised to n, a raised to m minus n, a raised to 1 a raised to 0 1, a raised to m bracket raised to n, a raised to m multiplied by n, a upon b bracket raised to m, a raised to m upon b raised to m. Complementary angle, the two angles whose sum is 90 degree. Supplementary angle, the two angles whose sum is 180 degree. Types of angles: zero angle, which is 0 degree in measure. Acute angle, 0 to 90 degree in measure. Right angle, 90 degree in measure. Obtuse angle, 90 to 180 degree in measure. Straight angle, 180 degree in measure. Reflex angle, 180 to 360 degree in measure. Complete angle, 360 degree in measure. Unit conversion chart: kilometer to meter multiplied by 1000, meter to centimeter multiplied by 100, centimeter to millimeter multiplied by 10, millimeter to centimeter divided by 10, centimeter to meter divided by 100, meter to kilometer divided by 1000. Kilogram to gram multiplied by 1000, gram to centigram multiplied by 100, centigram to milligram multiplied by 10, milligram to centigram divided by 1000, centigram to gram divided by 100, gram to kilogram divided by 1000. Thank you.